Okay, we are going to start with IELTS speaking part 1 and I will ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. So let's make a start. Do you watch movies?
Yes, actually, I watch movies in my leisure time. I like the Extraction movie in on Netflix. It's one of the most my favorite movie ever I have seen. This was made. Many of these parts was made in India and Pakistan also.
Okay, do you prefer foreign films or local films?
I prefer foreign films for improving my English also.
Give proper reasons. At least there should be 5 to 6 sentences in your answer.
I like foreign films and foreign movies because in those movies many new technologies are shown by in their movies, and nice and updated variant cars with their proper Western culture. That's why I am also going to foreign, so that's why I'm obsessed with these foreign movies.
Okay, do you prefer to watch a movie at home or in the cinema?
I prefer watch movies.
I prefer to watch a movie.
I prefer to watch a movie in my home with my family, because I wanna show them also. It's a very enjoyable moment.
Okay, there should be proper organization of your answer, and in the end, there should be conclusion. So you need to conclude your answer at the end. What you're doing, some of your answers, you're finishing them suddenly. So don't give abrupt ending, just
Okay.
try to finish it, okay? Now it's your turn. Do you like talking to your friends?
Yes, I like talking to my friends because by talking, I can take the advices from them, and I can make my decisions by the help of my friends.
With the help of my
With the help
friends.
of my friends,
So I love to talk to my friends. Okay, how do you like spending time with your friends?
I like to spending time with my.
I like to spend time with my friends.
I like to spend time with my friends. I can go them in my free time uh, 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 to eat outside.
Okay, we usually eat
We
outside.
usually eat outside together, and we usually go for vacations.
We go for
We go
vacations
for vacations in our northern areas in my
to
country.
northern areas in my
In my
country.
country. And
All
yeah,
right, so you're taking a lot of time to produce ideas and language. Try to practice these topics so that answers are readily available. Now, let's go on. Would you prefer to study alone or with your friends or class fellows?
I prefer to study alone because I study in another way.
Yeah,
I
my
don't want to
study
disturb
style is different.
my study style is different. I don't want someone to disturb from me.
Yeah, I don't want anyone to disturb me or
just
distract from me.
me.
So therefore, I always prefer to study independently
Independently.
or to study on my own. Try to use different words, it will be better. So practice all these topics, you'll be fine, right? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.